The water is everywhere.
Swimming pool! Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I am preparing to paint the Porsche Macan 2020. So now all I need to do is to put epoxy primer on this pillar. I need to fix this. Also I will put epoxy here. And the main task will be fixing this stuff here. So I need to put epoxy also there, a little bit sim sealer, and everything will be fine. So also I need to take the bumper off, headlamps, and I will be painting those elements separately. So time to do this. I will put masking tape here and here. I will put epoxy here, and also I will put epoxy under the hood. So guys, it's windy outside, but I will try to explain. So I am almost done with this sector. So here is the wire for opening the hood. So I need to put this somewhere. Okay, I will hide it. So my task is to clean this, everything here, those welds, and use epoxy. Here, clean those welds, use epoxy. And basically I need to paint this, and here I will use also epoxy, because those are the marks from repair. So I will do this and I will show you the final result. So guys, I am ready to put a epoxy primer, 2-3 coats. And I will leave it overnight for curing, and then I will be applying the body filler. And I was able to apply first coat. I will wait, like I mentioned before, in this weather, half hour to put another coat, and I will leave it overnight. Okay guys, in a moment I will drive inside to my workshop, because it's windy outside and I cannot work, and it's cold outside also, so I cannot work here because it is unpleasant. The next step, I want to put a little bit Bondo. I will prime it again, but with normal primer, not epoxy, and basically everything will be ready here for painting. So I am very happy. So we will meet inside. So guys, that kind of thing was broken. This is the hood lifting mechanism. I don't know the part name, but I will install this here. I was able to install second one, now I will install this. Woohoo! Now the hood is secured on those things and I can take this away. Okay guys, so I am in the middle of the painting, so for the first batch will be bumper and 2 pieces of fender. So as you can see, the first coat is in. This is not a real first coat because this bumper have a lot of secret corners. You see a lot of here. So the first coat I was trying to paint those places because I don't want to lose paint. So I was painting on low pressure. Here is the fender. Fender is real good, and this is the second piece. Second fender. This is the bottom part, this is the upper part. Macan have 2 fenders. This was a new part, is sealed. Bumper was also sealed. So I will apply the 2 coats now of base, and I will show you the final result. So I put the base. Now I will record a time lapse with the clear coating. So okay guys, now I will record a time lapse. I will put 2 coats of clear coat. Okay guys, so car is painted, as you can see. Here, and the pillar and doors. I didn't paint the entire doors, I was doing a blend here. So the next step, because everything is fresh, tomorrow I can sand it and buff it, and there will be no sign, so I am very happy. Guys, as you can know, there was no front windshield, and the car drive from US to my country. That's a lot of miles and kilometers, and you know, the rain, snow was falling, and look. Dun, 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 dun. I have the swimming pool in my Porsche. The water is everywhere. Water is everywhere. Look. Swimming pool! Alrighty guys, so the fender, 2 pieces of fender are painted, bumper is painted. I put this spoiler, I painted this spoiler also on black, and now for transportation purpose I will screw everything, you know, to the chassis. Okay guys, so I am almost done for today. The parts that I received from body shop are installed on the car. The last piece is the fender. Now I will take the fender. Last but not least, the front bumper is the last thing, but I will install it later. Done. So guys, the carpets are drying. Lucky for me, there is a full summer, 30 degrees Celsius. I don't know how many Fahrenheit that is, but a lot, 100 I think, maybe more. So the entire front is screw, and in the next week I will drive to the body shop. Okay guys, for Porsche we go. Bonnie. Okay guys, car is ready for the assembly process. So now I will drive with. I will load the car. I will show you the time lapse, and I will drive to the body shop. And they need 3 days to finish it. And of course, some parts are missing for sure. Okay guys, straps are in. I am driving to the body shop. So we will meet after 3 days. Alrighty guys, car is loaded. Car is loaded. Go home, time to go home. Okay guys, so situation update. As you can see, I don't have the navigation screen because after accident something happened with the main navigation unit and I need to replace it. I was able to find a company that fixed that kind of stuff, so I sent mine entire unit for checking and for doing some repairs, and the guy told me that he will fix it, but the price will be around $1,000. Yuppie! And the situation update at the rear. I need to replace the light bar and the rear lights, tail lights. And to do that, the entire bumper need to be disassembled. So now the bumper is unscrewed, and I will show you the process of installing the rear lamps. So, okay guys, so I received the rear lights, tail lights. Now I will put time-lapse mode on camera and I will record the installing process. So as you can see guys, job done. Bumper is installed. Now I am driving to tire shop, change tires. We will check the hazard lights. Where the hazard lights are? Here. Okay, everything is fine. So guys, I received today the entire navigation system. Turn on the light. GoPro just died. So here is the entire navigation unit. As you can see guys, I plug everything. Also I was checking this screen because in the accident the windshield was broken, so my concern was that water could, damage this screen, but the guy who fixed me the navigation unit, he told me that the screen is okay, the navigation unit was destroyed. Why the navigation was destroyed? Because when the iBox deployed, the force destroyed this unit. Something snap here and navigation stopped working, and we will see. Now I will screw everything here, and we will launch this bad boy up. Okay, so everything is screwed here back together. And guys, time to do first launch. Woohoo! It works! It is working! Guys, I am so happy. It's booting now or something, I don't know. I am very happy. I am very happy that the navigation works. And I need to check if the AC is working, because without the navigation unit, the entire computer and the screen, the AC doesn't work. So now I will check the AC. I don't know if the AC is working. No, AC doesn't work. Ay, 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 ay. Okay guys, so this will be it in today's episode. Thank you very much for watching. I know it's been a while, but I have few things to do. I will show you the update in the next video, because I am still working on the workshop. I will show you the update, and in the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all to the next time. Peace, bye! Woohoo!